Y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Mari, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the button on the side to be notified. And today, I'm gonna be doing my hair, fixing it, because school just got canceled because of the weather. I wonder if I can show y'all. It's dark outside, but yeah, I'm getting tired of this. Low-key regret dyeing my hair, but it is what it is. So I think, should I do a wig? I need to learn how to get better at them. So I'm gonna do a wig. Okay, this is what it looks like outside. It ain't really that bad for them to be canceling school, in my opinion. But 5-day weekend, who don't want it? And all the teachers was complaining today that they want a 5-day weekend. So yeah, it might. Please ignore my brother in the back. So yeah, let's get into this video. So I'm gonna put this one on. It's a synthetic wig. I'm gonna brush it out and stuff before I put it on my head. I was gonna say after, but nah. But I'm gonna brush this out right now, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna clean this with some hot water before I put it on. But yeah, I'm gonna slick my hair back. A little bit of hair I got. And then we're gonna get started. I just hung it up on there. But my hair is super curly, so no wasabi glue. It don't really work on my hair for real to slick it back or eco styler. But I found out some of this mixed with this, stick that boy right back. Let this little bit of hair slick back to the best of its abilities. I'm gonna put the wig cap on. I'm gonna use this custard glue spray. And dang, it don't matter as long as the front's slick. Use the custard glue spray and put this wig cap on. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna watch some YouTube on this broke tablet. I need to buy an iPad, but that's not at the top of my priority list right now. So
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder.
okay, so now this side, I wish it would have acted like this side, but it didn't. Now I'm gonna clean that lace off. Do 3 layers of these right here. And dang, I look bald. And put this wig on.
Just put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Alright, y'all, now that it's tacky, I'm gonna put this on. Hopefully I don't mess anything up trying to put this on. So the baby hairs, I can already tell it's gonna be an issue. All I wanted was you. Band. Stay. All I wanted was you. All I wanted was you.
Stop it. Get some help.
I think I got ADHD. But that's besides the point. Well, since the bottom out, I'm gonna try to comb out the bottom. Because one thing about a synthetic wig, it's gonna get tangled. I ain't even did nothing with it, and it's just tangled. But tip, start from the bottom and work your way to the top. I think I'm gonna try to do curls because I cannot do hair, but I'm gonna try to do curls. Never done before, so let's try something new. Okay. Dang.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. You love it, shit. You know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah. It's taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time.
Y'all, the flat iron wasn't working, so I'm gonna try to use this. I don't know how to use this, so let's figure it out.
Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Yeah, I can't curl it, so we just gonna straighten it.
Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna.
Alright, so I just almost dropped the flat iron on my foot. That was a minute, barely done. But I'm done flat ironing it. Flat ironing it, I don't know where the hot comb is, so I can't even do the top how I want to. take this off. This wig is not even. This side is up more than this side. It don't even matter. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe it off with some hot water. Let me pick this hair up though. I'll be back. I'm gonna pick up this hair. Okay. Work a mile in these little towns. They don't know where I'm from. Okay, that's not gonna work like that. Okay, what the freaking freak? But I think I'm done. So yeah. Alright, y'all. That's the end of this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the button on the side to be notified. And yeah, we're just gonna leave it. And until next time.